Today I'm going to show you how to create 3D waterfall on mobile in Photoshop. The first step is remove white background surrounding the mobile. You can use any eraser tool that you like. I'm just going to use Magic Eraser tool. Click anywhere on the white background. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place your second image. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Click and drag the waterfall and match it to your subject's mobile. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Set the opacity back to 100%, and then disable the layer. Select the layer below, open your Magic Wand tool. Select the screen. Now, enable the waterfall layer. Click Add Layer Mask icon. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Open your brush tool, and brush picker. Choose the soft round brush, the opacity, 100%, and the flow, 100%. Select the layer mask of waterfall copy. Click the foreground color, and make sure white, then click OK. Paint with white to reveal their waterfalls. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, and then delete the mask. Move the copy, below layer 0. Go to Filter, Blur, and open Gaussian Blur. Increase the radius to 30 pixels. Then click OK. Select the top layer. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon, and Color Lookup. Under the 3D Loot file, select Crisp Warm Look, and then close Properties window. Decrease the opacity to 50%. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E to copy merge all layers. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go back to Filter, Blur Gallery, and Tilt Shift. Click and drag outside the straight line to rotate it, and position the dots line outside the hand. You can adjust the blur of slider. For me about 60 works fine, and then click OK. And this is the result.